Want to win more jobs and get paid faster in QuickBooks Online 2026? Stop wasting time retyping estimates into invoices. Today I will show you how to create professional estimates that convert to invoices in one click. Perfect for US contractors, freelancers, and small businesses. Here is why estimates matter. An estimate is a quote you send to customers before work starts. It shows price, description, and total amount. When customer says yes, you convert it to invoice with one click. No duplicate typing. No errors. Step 1. Open QuickBooks Online 2026. Click Sales on the left menu. Then click Estimates. Click New Estimate. Step 2. Fill customer info. Select your customer like Swift Design Co. from our example. Add email so QuickBooks can send it directly. Set estimate date and expiration date. This makes you look professional. Step 3. Add your services. In the product column, select services like website design, logo design, SEO setup. Add description, quantity, and rate. QuickBooks calculates total automatically. Our example total is $2,450. Step 4. This is the magic part. Click Save and Send Estimate. Customer gets professional PDF in email. They can accept or decline. Step 5. When customer approves, go back to the estimate. Click Convert to Invoice. One click only. QuickBooks copies everything to invoice automatically. Same items, same amounts, same customer info. Just add payment terms and send. Done. You saved 10 minutes and avoided typing mistakes. Pro tips for US businesses. Tip 1. Always add expiration date on estimates. It creates urgency so customers decide faster. Tip 2. Use clear service descriptions. Customer knows exactly what they pay for. Tip 3. Turn on online payments in QuickBooks. Customer can pay invoice immediately after converting. Benefits of this method. It is faster, create estimate and invoice in 2 minutes. It is smarter, no duplicate data entry. And it gives you more sales because professional estimates build trust and get accepted faster. Stop retyping. Stop errors. Start converting estimates to invoices in one click with QuickBooks Online 2026. Subscribe to QuickBooks with Frederick for more QuickBooks Online 2026 tutorials made for US businesses. Next video I will show you how to set up automatic payment reminders so you get paid on time. Faster. Smarter. More sales. Master QuickBooks Online 2026 today.